Hi guys, this is Jerry. Welcome to the channel. Today is the MG HS. I will explain everything you need to know about the central locking system. As always, if you find the video helpful, please make sure you subscribe and like down below. That will be really helpful for the small channel. And let's turn the camera around. All right, first thing is how the key blade works. So lock. It will give you 3 flashes. Unlock. Just a single long light, basically. If you unlock the vehicle and you didn't open any of the doors within 30 seconds, all the doors will automatically lock itself, by the way. And then if you do have keyless entry on the vehicle, just press the button. It works on the driver and passenger front doors. And press the button again, that will unlock just like that. And the middle button is the release for the boot tailgate. If you do have a power tailgate, you just push and hold, the tailgate goes all the way. If you do have a manual tailgate, you push and hold, the manual tailgate will be locked, and then you have to manually open it up, by the way. And it will work even if your vehicle is fully locked. So just like that, my vehicle is locked, wing mirror locked in. I will just push and hold, just like that. That tailgate will automatically bounce open. And from distance, if your vehicle has power tailgate, you can also lock it, basically. Just push and hold and just wait for 3 seconds. Each time it's always 3 beeps, just like that, before it locked in. Just give a safety warning. As you can see, the vehicle doors, everything remain locked. But if your vehicle is fully unlocked, you open the tailgate, you close the tailgate, everything remains unlocked, just like that. And to open the power tailgate, there's another way, which is the button underneath, just on the right. Or there's another switch, which is on the driver center console over here. This button, push and hold, the power tailgate will open. As long as the vehicle is unlocked and the vehicle is not engaged in any other gears apart from parking. So that's pretty easy. And other things, you do have a small lever over here in case you've got yourself locked in the car. You open this cover, you can still manually release the tailgate in case anything happens. So that's that. And one touch, I close the tailgate. As long as the vehicle is unlocked, you'll be able to open the petrol tank, which is just on this side. Press that, opens up. That's pretty easy. There's nothing special about that. And open the rear tailgate, open the rear door, sorry about that, and you are able to engage the baby lock or child lock or safety lock. As long as it's pushed in, people inside the door cannot unlock it, basically, or people from outside can only access to that. And when you lock the vehicle, if one of your doors is left open or half open like this, and you press the lock button, the vehicle gives you a horn feedback, just give you a warning that actually one of your doors are not fully locked, just like that. And another cool feature, in case your vehicle windows are let's say wound down and you got the vehicle, you forgot to wind it up, that's totally fine. All you need to do, as long as the vehicle remains unlocked with no engine, no auxiliary mode switched on, you just push and hold this lock button for about more than 10 seconds, something like that, or your windows wind up. Just push and hold. Just like that, your window will go all the way. Obviously, if your rear window is unlocked, it's going to be the same. And in case you want to drop all the windows, you can do the same as well. Before you get in the vehicle, if it's really hot inside or anything like that, you can do that. So just make sure your vehicle is locked and you are close to the vehicle distance. You're not far away, you're not moving or anything like that. Push and hold the unlock button. Just like that, all your windows will be open. If your vehicle is lucky to have a sunroof, your sunroof will open as well. So that's quite a cool feature about the keyless or in case the distance control for the windows, everything. Unlike the traditional vehicles, there's no slot for the manual key to go in. So in case your key actually runs out of battery or in any emergency situation, your key sensor does not work, anything like that, you can actually use the key to open this cover, which I'll show you really quick. So to open the key case, just press the silver cap on the top, then open the key cover. You'll find this manual key over here, and then you twist this around. The manual key can be shifted to an L-shaped key. When you have the L-shaped key, it's pretty easy. You can then use the L-shaped key to go into the slot underneath and that allows you to pinch this open. Just make sure you open the door handle while you're doing that, then open the cover, then you have a manual slot for your key, and then all you need to do, just push your key blade in and twist around. That allows you to manually unlock the door. And once you get inside the vehicle, you notice, in case your key runs out of battery, your push button obviously will not engage or will not start. And this is what you need to do. Have your car key with you and make sure you just slide the manual key back into the key case, key cover, just like that. And then what you want to do, you want to find the cup holder, leave everything behind, nothing underneath, open this cover. You'll notice a small sensor sign just down there at the bottom. Sorry, it's quite dirty. And that allows you to place the key underneath, either matching the logo or the other way around. I can't remember exactly. That means the vehicle, the sensor will be touching each other so close that will be able to talk to the vehicle. That allows you to put your foot on the brake and push this button to still start the vehicle in emergency situation if your key runs out of battery. So that's a hidden feature or cool feature about these things. And once we're in the vehicle, you'll be able to go into the car setting over here, go to comfort and convenience and press the locking function. You'll be able to reset this key unlock and passive unlock. So the key unlock means if you go from distance and you press the unlock button from your key, just this button over here, if you tap it once, either all the doors will be unlocked or the driver door will be unlocked. If you select the driver door, if you press it once, only the driver door is unlocked. If you double tap, then all the doors will be unlocked, just like that. And most people will be probably okay with all doors, but if you drive the vehicle just yourself, driver door unlocked, obviously it's a little bit safer, everything. Next one is the passive unlock. This is related to the keyless entry, the buttons on the door handle. If you select all doors, that means you tap either of the unlock doors, either of the driver and passenger doors at the front, all the doors will be unlocked. But if you select the driver door, that means all the doors, the other doors will remain locked. So I'll select these two things, show you how that works. So now I'll unlock the vehicle and wait for the unlock. You'll notice only the driver door is unlocked, where all the other rear doors and back doors, passenger doors are still locked. So that's how to do the key unlock with just driver door. But if you close the door just like that, and we're going to use this button over here to tap again, and then all the doors still remain unlocked. If you do want to unlock all the other doors, tap again, that door is unlocked, just like that. So that's how to use the key lock and passive unlock to function, to work. Last thing we have is the central locking in the vehicle. So if you're driving or if you're parking, you can tap the unlock button whenever you like to unlock the vehicle. If it's the central lock, full lock is engaged, this light bar will come on. If it's unlocked, this light bar will go off. That's pretty simple. Or if one of the doors is unlocked, or the other door, even if all the other doors remains locked, this light bar will go away, basically, just like that. And then when you drive off, when the vehicle moves off, when the speed goes over 15 kilometers per hour, the automatic locks will engage. And then when you switch off turn off the vehicle, your automatic unlock will be disengaged, just like that. And then another feature, if your vehicle is locked, from your driver door, if you put the door handle once, it will only unlock all the doors. Put the door second time, it allows you to open. And if you press lock and then go other doors, like the passenger or the rear passenger, you have to put twice to unlock the doors. First time, allow you to disengage these particular doors locking system. Second pull, allow you to open this particular door. That means the central lock is disengaged only at the passenger door or only at the other doors if anything's touched that. And then all you need to do, just press the lock, only the passenger door will remain locked, where the other doors are locked anyway. So these are the features about the central locking. I hope I explained everything correctly. And again, if you do find this video helpful, that would be really great. If you can subscribe and like down below, that would be really great for the small channel to grow. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.